clear. Today it's murky like a person's heart. The trees stand silent, not complaining, but the fallen leaves tell the whole story. A thin wisp of smoke covers the morning sky, obscuring the stars that once guided us. The birds' voices have disappeared from the stream, leaving only silence, softly asking us. I have only a trembling smile, hiding tears in an empty answer. Listen to the sound of the earth calling our name from the dry forest and gloomy sky. If we still each other, let the rivers flow freely, let the trees dream again. Hear the earth calling our name. It's not too late for a new beginning. The small hands of tomorrow voice